Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is my new Razer mouse and I am loving it. I really like the feel of it when I'm putting my hand over it. You have a lot of clicking buttons all over the place. And just, if you can hear that, it's very easy to click, and here's the cursor right there. And setting this up was super easy. And just the wheel alone just has a nice feel. It has a clicking feel right here, but if you want to take that clicking feel off, all you have to do is click this button right there. But I've actually bought about 3 of these for the different computers in my house and could not be happier. This one right here, this is probably over a year old, but like I said, I just bought a couple of new ones, so liking it. Yeah, and I like the color. You can adjust the different colors on it, but just the way it just matches with my gaming setup decor. So make sure you check this out on Amazon. I'll have a link down below where you can find this, and I think you're going to be super happy with it. Oh, before I forget, this works great because I'm doing a lot of Photoshop, video editing, 3D modeling, and this gives me that precise calculation and movement that I'm looking for. Yeah, loving it. Talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.